So it's a blessing to be here and to tell you folks that we love you and that we appreciate you. We have one motive and one objective at the Voice of God, and that's to promote this message, this end-time message. We're not here today to promote Joseph Branham or these brothers or Billy Paul Branham or an organization. It's not an organization, and it is more than a building. It's the Word of God. And that's what we have to have, is this message, this Word. Because all things have to come through this message. That's what we believe. That's what you've been taught. And you've been faithfully taught. You've got to go back to the Word. It has to line up with the Word. And if it doesn't line up with the Word, he said, don't hear it. Don't listen to it. He said there's many voices in the end times. They're going to say many things, many interpretations, many ideas. But God sent one message, one messenger, and one prophet. So that is our purpose to be here today, is to tell you that we love you and that we appreciate you. And to show, as the brother said this morning, the unity and love is that, you know what Brother Branham said? I like a little quote here. He said, unity is not an isolated thing between brothers. Unity is for the whole body. And that's what this message will do. It'll bring us together. He said it was perfect love. And he said that we must have that perfect love or we can't make it to the other side. Brother Branham taught us, he said, I'd rather have a church that has perfect love than all the spiritual gifts that lay in the Bible. He said only perfect love will enter in over there. So it's easy to love you that love me. It's to love somebody that speaks against you or uses you or maybe don't believe the way you believe or see things the way you believe. See, that doesn't matter. We're going to disagree on things. There might be things I disagree with your pastor on, but we agree on one thing. This right here. This is what we agree on. So that is our stand at the Voice of God of what we do, is not to build kingdoms. We're not here to promote anything else or anybody, but to give you the voice of God. And that's truly the desire of our heart, to do that, to give this message to you people.